What?
The tooth fairy took it.
What?
My tooth.
Oh my goodness.
It's not there anymore.
What's in there?
$5. And 2 of them.
You know what?
10.
Yeah, you got $10 for your first tooth.
Just what I guessed.
Good job.
She sees me everywhere I go.
She
She
sure
knows
was.
what I guessed. She knows everything that I do.
She sure was nice to you.
She's almost like Santa and God. She's almost like Santa and God because she can see everyone anywhere.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Like it.
Morning, sunshine.
What?
Good morning.